We're back again. The third reason why people are saying they're returning their Pixel Fold. Catch a beer. Alright guys, we're back with another rant. I know you're tired of hearing me, I know. But I'm tired of hearing these lame ass excuses why people are returning their Fold. Just say you don't like it, or just say that it's too pricey. Just say that. You don't have to make up these lame ass excuses why you're returning your Pixel Fold, like the app scaling issue. There is no issue with app scaling. All foldables do that. Some of them handle it a little different, but it's not a perfect solution what Samsung's doing in stretching out the apps. But if there's no issues with it, you open up your phone, you open up Twitter, and they're like, oh my god, I have black bars on the side. I got black bars on the side here. But if you turn it, there you go. No black bars. It's just like if you have your Fold. No issues. No black bars. Now, there's other workarounds that's even better. Boom, look at that. If you don't want to turn it, look at that. If you're too lazy to turn it, look at this. You can get that on your Pixel Fold without turning the device. Are you so lazy that you just can't orientate it? Turn your device so it can scale properly? I don't know, you tell me. Now, Instagram doesn't scale all that well, but that's regardless, because that's Instagram. But other than that, all the other apps would scale just properly by you turning it. But there's a solution. If you don't want to turn your device around, go to Chrome, go to the website like Twitter, right? Let's go to Twitter. So you type in Twitter on your Chrome, then you scroll, let's go. Where is Chrome? Right here. I'm gonna walk you through this. I'm sick of people not knowing this. It is so easy. Let's see. Now I already have it. So you go to Twitter. You're gonna click on the three little buttons here, the hamburger menu. Boom. You're gonna go scroll down, and you're gonna put install app. You're gonna install that app. Now it's gonna give you another separate icon for Twitter, but what it's gonna do is every time you click that icon and you're on the inner display, it's gonna open Twitter full, like desktop mode almost. It's absolutely fantastic. And then when you close it, it goes back to normal. No issues with that. Yeah, you're gonna have two icons. I have one for when I'm using the outer display, and then the second one when I'm using the inner display. It's so simple. You can do that with Facebook. I don't think you can do that with Instagram, because Instagram is weird on desktop mode regardless. But most of the apps you can do that, and there is absolutely no issues. It'll just work just fine. Anyway, stop saying app scaling is an issue, because it's an issue all across all foldables, and it's not Google's fault, it's not Samsung's fault, it is not whichever other foldable you're using fault. It is the developers for those specific apps. They are not catering to foldables yet, and when they do, then everything's gonna be solved. Can Google force them? Yeah, probably, but it's probably not gonna get. Not even Apple can force them, because some of the apps, you have the same issue on the iPad, and I would think that Apple would maybe force them because they're the bigger platform, and no, not even them can force them. So whenever they feel like doing it, then this issue is going to be solved. But don't blame Google, don't blame Samsung, and especially don't blame your Pixel Fold, and especially don't use that as a reason why you're returning your Fold. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them down in the comment section below. If you need me to show you how to walk you through on how to get the proper app scaling for your foldable using Chrome, let me know down in the comment section below, and I'll gladly walk you through it. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And like always, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace!